Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you all the places that you can visit in Ontario during this holiday season. If you are a mom like me or a parent and you want to take your kids to a lot of places and you want to do a lot of things with them, fun things, Christmas related, I will show you all the things that you cannot miss. And I will be also sharing with you all my Christmas experiences with my family during this period of December. Okay, so there are a lot of events in Ontario during this holiday season, and 2021 is a much better year because things have been changing and restrictions are less. You still have to wear your face mask, and in some closed places will ask you to show your proof of vaccination, but other than that you are free to go. Some of these places are outdoors, so you can enjoy those as well. I'm gonna show you the ones that are free, the ones that you have to pay for them, but I'm sure that all of them will keep you super happy and you will love them as much as I do. Okay, so let's start with some of the experiences right here. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna show you or talk about the Santa train rides that are here in Toronto. You can find some of these right here. So I'm gonna show you in my screen, and the places that you can go to in Ontario are these ones. This ride is through Elling County. You can enjoy this ride to Santa's, and the details I'm gonna add them all in the description down below, but this is going to be from November 20th to December 19th, and it's here on Port Stanley Terminal Rail. The cost to this one is $9 to $15, so it's not much. You also can go to this Santa's Magical Adventure in Waterloo Central Rail, and I'm gonna be talking about this one in special in one video because we already went to this one, and it's going to be from November 13 until December 19, and it's in St. Jacob's Farmers Market Station. They have different prices because they have the coach seats and also the VIP seats. We went to the coach seats and those were around $36.99, and you're required to have your proof of vaccination and also your face mask at all times. This was really good, and I am sure you will love it as well. If you happen to not have this opportunity to go to this one, stay tuned on my channel because I'm gonna be showing you a video of our experience there. Also in York-Durham Heritage Railway, there's another Santa train, and this one it will be from November 20th to December 19th. The cost for this one is from $29.99 to $44.98, so it depends of the seat that you get, and also the details will be in their webpage that I'm gonna be adding down below. Also, there is the North Pole Express. It has only 3 dates. It's November 20, 27th, and December 4th. It's from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. and it's on the Railway Museum of Eastern Ontario. It's $5.89. There's also a North Pole Light Up Express train ride, and this will be on York-Durham Heritage Railway. The details you can find them on their web page, and the cost will be $34.99 or $49.98. There will be a Bethlehem Express the Nativity on rails. This is also on York-Durham Heritage Railway, and it's only December 16th and 22nd. It will be only from 4, 6, and 8 p.m. The cost is $29.99 to $44.98. So those were the train rides that you can get here in Ontario. Also, you can go and see the light displays around Ontario, and these ones are for free. So you can go and see the Christmas light display at Rusty Griswold Christmas light display in 2176 Dublin Drive. This is in Burlington. It's a house, I think, and it's an animated show with over 10,000 lights. So you can also tune in on the radio on 106.3 FM on your vehicle so you can enjoy the show entirely. Also, there will be a snow magic. This one, it has a cost. It is the price from $45 to $65, and it will be at the Ontario Place. This one is in Lakeshore Boulevard West in Toronto. Will be running from November 12th to January 16th. Also, there's the Winterfest. This is on Canada's Wonderland, and it will run from November 13th to December 31st. The price is $29.99, and also there's the Christmas Trail, and this one is a drive-through. Price per car is $25, and it will be until December 23rd. It seems that it will be really cool as well. Also, the Winter Lights Festival in downtown Brampton. It's going to be from November 19th to November 21st. This one is a short one, and it's free. Okay, so make sure you go. The next one will be Winter Nights City Lights, a walkthrough experience at the Esplanade Park, and this is from November 19th to November 21st. Also is free. The Festival of Lights on the square at Mississauga Celebration Square. It's going to be from November 20th to January 2nd, and it will be free. Fairway of Lights is going to be on the Angus Glen Golf Club. This is in Gormley, and it will be on November 20th to January 30th. The price is $22.50 to $35. The Sagebrush Street Christmas Light on Oshawa. This one will be from November 20th to January 9th, and it will be free. Take note of those that are free, because these are going to be very neat for the kids to watch. Winter Wonders is a Royal Botanical Gardens, and this is in Burlington, and it will be from November 24th to January 9th, and the price is included in your general admission or membership. So you have to go to the Royal Botanical Gardens page to figure it out what is the price there. Also, the Casa Loma Holiday Light Tour, it will be in Toronto and Casa Loma, and from November 25th to December 30th. The price is $35. Journey to Enchantment Drive-Thru will go. This one is in Markham, and it's from November 25th to January 9th. Price is $29.95 to $39.95. Also, there is the Polar Winter Festival. This one I will be also reviewing it in a few days, and I will upload the video so you can watch it with us. It will be on Princess Boulevard, Toronto, and it will be from November 25th to December 26th. And the price is from $14.99 to $19.99. Is going to be outdoors, and it also has a market. I think that you will be enjoying this. Journey into the Enchantment Drive-Thru. This will be in Mississauga, and the price is from $29.95 to $39.95. So there will be a lot of festivals. There's the Lakeside Festival of Lights in Lakeshore, Burlington, and it will be from November 26th to January 8th. This one is free as well. The Christmas at North Ride Magical Christmas Forest will be in Woodbridge from November 26th to December 19th. And the Holiday Nights of Lights will be in Bonn. The price will be $25 to $65, and it will be from November 26th to January 2nd. This time will be a walkthrough. Whitby Lights the Night. This one will be November 26th to January 5th and will be free. The Bloor Yorkville Holiday Magic. This one is in Toronto, and it will run from November 27th to December 31st. It's free as well. Cavalcade of Lights in Toronto will be free, and it will run from November 27th to January 2nd. The halls, the price is from $40 to $50, and it's a museum. It's only November 27th. The Winter Wonderland New Market, it's free, and it will run from December 1st to the end of the year. Light Up the Hills, it's free, and it's on Halton Hills, and it will run from December 1st to January 2nd. As you can see, the agenda will be full this Christmas, this December, and some of the events are also in November. I will recommend that on the paid events you go ahead and go and see which one do you love, because the tickets go fast. Those events are always sold out, so just go right away and watch which ones do you want to go. I try to make it a little bit dynamic for you, but I also wanted to mention the dates and the things that you can do. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.